Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to increase the video RAM graphics of your laptop, as well as how to boost the FPS for a best browsing and gaming experience. So if you're using an Intel graphic cards laptop, then this video is very for you, okay? So without any further ado, let's get started. And the very first thing that we need to do is we need to check if our graphic cards, our Intel graphic cards is updated. So to start, I can do a right click and here go for device manager. Click on that to open. So once you open your device manager, just expand it to see more, okay? Then here you need to find for display adapters. Okay, as you can see here next to disk drives. Now click this forward arrow and you will see the Intel R UHD graphics in your laptop. Here, you just have to select that again, do a right click, and go for update driver. Okay, so here it shows two options: automatically search for drivers as well as manually to search for what drivers. You just have to click this first, and if your computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then good. Just have to close this and let's proceed to the second step, which is to check how much video memory do we have in our Windows or our computer. So at your desktop screen, do a right click, and this time you need to go for display settings. Okay, so here in this new window, in this display tab, just simply scroll down and look for advanced display, which is located under related settings. Click on it. Okay, so here in the display information, just have to go with this display adapter properties for display one. Click on that. And the moment you click on that, this properties window will appear. Here in my case, I can see that the total available graphics memory is only 2094 MB and dedicated video memory is only 128 MB. Now, in order to increase this video memory or video RAM, we'll be performing steps. So let me close this. So the very first step that we need to do is at your keyboard, press Windows and R key together so that you'll be able this run window. Here you need to type regedit all in lowercase, sorry, regedit. Okay, let me just edit. Okay. Regedit, then click on OK to continue. And your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes. Okay. So let me just back this to the original. Okay. Here you need to look for local machine. Okay. Local machine. Once you selected that, click this forward arrow here. And here you need to go for software. Click on that and click this forward arrow again and go for Intel. Okay. So here, just one, you have to do a right click and go for new and key. Okay. So here you'll input a name which is GMM all in lowercase. Make sure that all in lowercase again GMM. Then click enter to create. Okay. So once you have created this folder, just do a right click again, new, then go for the word 32-bit value. Click on it. And here, just have to rename this into dedicated segment size. Okay, dedicated segment size. Then click enter to proceed. Make sure that you don't put any space between the words, okay? So dedicated segment size, click enter to create, okay? So once you have created this dedicated segment size, do a right click, go for modify, and here you can input the value of data depending on your RAM. So I have here a chart that I can show you. So if you have a 2 GB RAM, you can go with 256 value. 4 gigabyte RAM is equivalent to 512 value. 8 gigabyte of RAM is equivalent to 1024 value, and 16 gigabyte of RAM is equivalent to 2048. And since I'm using a 4 gigabyte of RAM, then I'll go with this 512. So let me just input 512, click OK to proceed. Okay. So once done, just have to restart your computer. And once you relaunch your computer, check if your video memory has increased. Okay. So let me know in the comment section if it works for you, if your computer becomes faster than before. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.